Okay, the recording is start now. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the absolute positioning. It is a very basic stuff, and today we are going to make this. So for example, I'm going to make a section. This is pretty basic, and inside the section I'm going to add a container, and container have some, for example, like content h1 and h2 for example, and afterwards our main thing is the image. So if you are going to add an image here like this, so in order to understand this, first I'm going to add some basic color to over all of the main elements, so that you are going to get to know by the way like from where the effects is going to be happen. And this is the container. Let me make it more darker like this, and to just for the sake of observation I'm just giving to the 100% margin here. So now we have this whole body and the section and the container, and this is our image. The moment you are going to change its position to the absolute, you can see like now the image is no longer part of the container or a hierarchy that we have made. Now image have only one parent, which is the main body. How we are going to understand? For example, select the image and select this top left. You can see in order that the command that I give here, top left, it automatically justify like this body is my main parent. Top right, same goes to bottom side as well. Okay, but my main requirement is I need the still absolute position, but not the body, but inside this container. So simple hack is that you just need to select the container, and instead of like a static, it's going to be relative. The moment you are going to change it, automatically image knows that relative to the container 4, which is this container 4, this is a class name and this is the layer name, you can say. So now image is inside this. So how we are going to prove this? How? From this top left, top right, top bottom, and these are the values. So here you can see like for example you are going to achieve the absolute position within your desired range. Thank you.